Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's video is special because it's my 500th upload. And to make it even more special, you guys helped me to decide what kind of content should I be posting. And you guys voted for 2022 nail care routine. By the way, special thanks to all of the people who voted for my polls. And to make it even more special, you guys voted for a Filipino English audio for today. So, let's get started. By the way, for all of the products that I'll be using in today's video, available siya in the Philippines. Links for the products I'll be mentioning are available sa description box below. And I don't have any affiliate codes or anything with these brands, but some products that I'll be using were given to me. And these are the products that I really use. Of course, I start by washing my hands with soap and water. Then after drying my hands, I use CND's CuticleAway cuticle remover. I'll just twist this cap and let's apply it on the cuticle area. I'm just applying a small amount. Wag masyadong marami. Don't squeeze the bottle too much, just allow the product na lumabas. By the way, this nail care routine of mine is just what I usually do. I'm not saying that these steps are like 100% tama and all. It's just the steps that I do na feeling ko okay naman siya for my nails. Then let's wait for a minute. Then I'll be using my Bobby Metal Cuticle Pusher. Then let's gently push our cuticles. Do this super gently, okay? By the way, yung nakikita niyong parang residue, it's actually the product na in-apply natin kanina. Oh, and if you're planning on buying a metal cuticle pusher, be careful in using it because nung una kong try yung metal cuticle pusher na to, medyo matalas siya and medyo nagasgas yung mismong nails ko nung simula. But after practicing and doing it more gently, ayun, okay na and I've been using this for like ilang years na. Then to get into the narrow areas, you can use the other side of the metal cuticle pusher. Just remember to do it gently para hindi kayo masaktan or masugatan. Then, as you can see, may mga konting natira. It's time to remove it with a nipper. I'm using OMG's Titanium Nipper. And once again, be super careful when using this. Do not cut too much kasi baka masugatan kayo. Again, I'm not a professional and these are just the steps I personally do. And tada! Looking super neat na, diba? So here's a fast-forwarded clip as I do it to the rest of my nails. So after all of that, I use a buffing block by PoshNails. Well, I don't buff my nails all the time. It's just pag medyo rough and hindi siya masyadong pantay yung surface ng nails ko, I use this to even them out. I buff them in a circular motion. And again, do it as gently as possible. There's no need na diinan nyo yung pag-buff ng nails. And now that it's dusty, it's time to wash our hands again. Right now, I don't need to clip my nails short kasi hindi pa naman siya ganun kahaba. But for nail clippers, I used this from PoshNails. So now, let's just do a bit of nail filing. I also use PoshNails' nail file, but for now, I'm using CND's Kanga file. I file my nails in one direction. After that, it's time to moisturize and hydrate. I always use these two. Both of them are super great in moisturizing and their scents are super nice. PoshNails' cute Tickles are so convenient to use kasi it's just like a pen that you can glide it onto your nails. But for today, I'm using CND SolarOil. Then I also massage it onto my nails. Pero you can just leave the product on your nails din naman. Oh, and I also use this Morocco Argan Oil by Sinus on moisturizing my hands and my nails. This is super good din. After that, it's time for moisturizing our hands. I'm using these 3 lotions depending on kung anong scent yung gusto ko. So for today, I'll be using Nivea SOFT Moisturizing Cream. Fun fact, this is actually my second tub. And as you can see, paubos na rin siya and I think I need to place an order on Shopee soon. What I love about this is that it doesn't have an oily sticky feeling after using it, and it has jojoba oil. And we're actually done! That's my updated nail care routine. If you have any questions regarding about this topic, just leave it on the comment section. Or if you have any video suggestions, leave nyo lang sa comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!